thank you for coming along to our second legal debate of the year. We've been in a conference today where we talked quite a lot around diversity and gender equality. We've been talking about how we're looking to influence and lead and perhaps drive behaviour change in the legal profession, but from perhaps an altruistic viewpoint, or one where law firms and in-house can see the inherent commercial advantages of really promoting a more diverse workplace. But the debate tonight is really about whether that's enough and whether, as legal professionals, we need to put in place much stricter quotas.
We need gender equality because not only of fairness and it being good for women, but because it is good for companies, it is good for the economy, it is good for the law profession, it is good for everyone.
Before this event this evening, I decided to poll just about every lady I came across as to what they thought about quotas. And what was fascinating is almost all of them said that they were not in favour of quotas. They felt that they really wanted to achieve and progress on the basis of their own merits.
I am an angry feminist. I'm just going to say I am, and I'm not going to apologise for that. Those in privileged positions are all too happy to peddle the universal myth of meritocracy. The structures of work that we all work in are built by white, privileged men, and they've been built that way for centuries.
I think it is dangerous to speak to people of my daughter's generation in a sense that persuades them that they are anything other than fully autonomous, fully able members of society.
Why is it that we as women should have to work double as hard as men simply to be recognised for the work that we do on a daily basis, and on top of that, we have to beat off sexual harassment and discrimination?
It's all very well putting them into a role, but if they are not wanted, and if they are not taken seriously, and if the structure is not there to support them, and if the measures are wrong, then they will fail.
Quotas are about ripping open the doors to let more people in. You then have to make sure that what space you are letting them into is not so hostile that you immediately lose people again.
So what are we going to do? Wait another 100 years and hope that suddenly, miraculously, we have gender equality? I want to see equality in my lifetime.
It's the addressing of workplace disadvantages. It's the addressing of the way that society is set up that is where the work has got to come.
Damn right we need quotas, but we need 100% quota for women. Because, using a phrase from Hillary Clinton, thank you Justin, it's our turn now. It's our turn to rule the world, and I think it'll be a damn sight better than the world we have at the moment.
There isn't a silver bullet, there's lots of different things we have to do to get there. So let's do those things and not get sidetracked by a concept that's flawed.